We are receiving a lot of messages and requests about people that would like to meet us and watch us dance live. And this is your chance. So if you want to combine vacation, cruising, and a lot of dance and great music, well, this is your shot.
In cooperation with our great friend from New York, Arnold Boris, we decided to go for a huge, interesting project. Sondre Tanya Dance Convention at Sea.
So you might now wonder where and when all of this will take place. Well, let us present it to you! Take it away!
Visit our website sondreandtanya.com or cruisegourmet.com for more information. There you will find Sondre and Tanya Dance Convention at Sea, which will happen from March 3rd to March 10th, 2024 on a Holland America liner. We will visit
the Half Moon Cay, Bahamas. Ocho Rios, Jamaica.
Ocho Rios.
Georgetown, Cayman Islands. And Cozumel, Mexico.
Come and join us with family and friends for a winter getaway dance convention at sea. You will see spectacular dance exhibitions, dance lessons, and screens of your favorite Sondre and Tanya YouTube dance videos.
You can already book your cabins right now by clicking on the link in the description below or following the links on our website sondreandtanya.com.
Please call 800-658-6869 to Michelle, and don't forget to mention that you are registering for Dance Convention at Sea 2024. As you notice, we're very excited to see you all at our Sondre and Tanya Dance Convention at Sea 2024, organized together with Arnold Boris from New York.
Be there or be squared. That was good. Okay, we'll get there. So make sure to book yourself a spot right now, and we cannot wait to see you in 2024.